Greetings to all. I, Shruti Mehndiratta, TGT Maths of Bal Bharati Public School, will discuss why is maths an interesting subject. Maths is a beauty. There are reasons behind it. Starting from what you see, maths is all around you. In what you eat, what you think, and the architecture you see. Maths is everywhere. Maths is the only subject which is same in all languages because maths is universal. French is great in France, Bengali is a king in Bangladesh, and there are 297 living languages in China. But area of circle will remain pi r square everywhere. Maths is the language of science. Yes, that's right. Maths tells science how to work. So without maths, there would be no computers, no cars, no planes or trains. In summary, no maths means no Minecraft. In reality, maths is everywhere. Don't believe me? Alright, example of maths in nature. Bees, master of geometry, use hexagon to build their honeycombs. Nature loves Fibonacci sequence. The spiral shape of sunflowers and other patterns in nature follow a Fibonacci sequence, where adding the two preceding number give you the next in the sequence. Example 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 is a Fibonacci sequence. Fractals are other mathematical shape that we see in nature. A fractal is a self-repeating shape, meaning the same basic shape is seen again and again in the shape itself. Example leaves of ferns. Tree branches, branching of neuron in our brain. Concentric circle are also seen in nature. The circle with the same center but different radius. Concentric circle can be seen in the ripples of a pond when something hits the surface of a water, in the layers of onion also. Moving away from planet Earth, we can also see many mathematical features, like all the planets are 3D in shape. Do you know why planets are round? A planet is round because of gravity. A planet gravity pulls equally from all sides. Gravity pulls from the center to the edges like the spoke of a bicycle wheel. This makes the overall shape of a planet a sphere, which is a three-dimensional circle. One more thing, every 2 years the moon passes between the sun and the earth in such a way that it appears to completely cover the sun. But how it is possible if moon is so much smaller than the sun? Because of the maths. You see, the moon is approximately 400 times smaller than the sun, but it is also 400 times further away. This symmetry allows for a total solar eclipse that doesn't seem to happen on any other planet. These are some interesting facts of maths. You must have also heard about Vedic mathematics. In Vedic mathematics, we can do calculation 10 to 15 times faster than the other calculation. I would like to share one of the interesting number that is known as Narcissus number. It is clear from its example. 153 is a 3-digit number, so we will take 3 in its exponent. 153 will be equal to 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. 9474 is a 4-digit number. Now take 4 in its exponent. 9 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4 will be equal to 9474. It was an interesting number, that's why I have shared with you. Maths is the essence to make simple things easier. Basically, the essence of maths is not to make the simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. I would like to end this with the thought that life is a maths equation. In order to gain the modes, you have to know how to convert your negative to positive. Because only in the world of maths, 2 negative multiply into a positive. So don't be a negative thinker, be a positive thinker. Convert all your negative thoughts into a positive as like maths do. Try to make your complication easier as you are making complicated thing easier in maths. Practice hard so that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Because practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the more you achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Thank you so much.